With trim, you can create holes inside objects or create a new object by removing part of its shape. Objects can overlap entirely or only partially. You cannot apply trim to objects that don't overlap. You have both a target object, which is the object that will be trimmed, and a source object, which applies the trim. Select the source object first, then hold down the Shift key and select the target object. You can select trim from the standard toolbar, or you can select it from the Edit menu. Selecting it from the standard toolbar gives you a preview of what the trim will look like. Activate it, and then when the object is moved, you'll see that there is a cutout. If I select this object first, hold down the Shift key and then select the target object and then apply trim, I will get a different look as the source object trimmed the target object. To create a hole, I can select the object on top, hold down the Shift key and select the background, select trim, then select the source object and press delete, and that creates a hole in the object. Remember that you can preview a trim just like you can any of the other tools that we've talked about by resting your cursor on trim, and the area that is going to be remaining will be yellow. Trimming and removing overlaps are not the same. With trimming, the object shape is actually changed. So once this shape is removed, that hole is in the object. With remove overlaps, the overlapping parts are not painted or stitched, but the vector images still exist as they were originally drawn as complete objects. So I'll undo to get back to just the two overlapping objects. So if we look at Sequence Manager with remove overlaps, you can see that the star shape is cut out. However, if I select that star shape and move it away, the object underneath is completely filled in. When I activate trim and trim the object and then move the object away, there is no paint underneath the star.